Hello! In this video, I'm going to tell you about some of the main features of History 1510, this asynchronous online course, meaning that the entire course is going to be online. We will not have any regular class meetings, and you will not be required to come to campus. Let's start by talking about some of the opportunities or payoffs that are available for this course. In my mind, these are the things that you could get out of this course, and everything that I do this semester is oriented toward accomplishing one or more of these payoffs or opportunities. There are a lot of skills that you can develop and grow in. There's some basic world history knowledge you can gain, and you'll have an opportunity to personally apply this information to yourself so that you can change and grow and become a different and hopefully better person. Critical thinking is probably the most important skill that I focus on this semester, giving you an opportunity to learn how to think like a historian, to use evidence to form your opinions, and then be able to defend those opinions by pointing to that evidence. That's a really critical skill, and I devote a lot of energy this semester to helping you grow in that. This is a freshman level survey course intended primarily for non-history majors. So in that sense, the world history knowledge that we're going to look at is really big picture knowledge. It's high level stuff, not really drilling down into any one thing in too much detail. The most important outcome that I see for this course is the opportunity for you to grow by personally applying what we talk about and what you learn about this semester. To me, history is not just about absorbing a bunch of facts and then being able to spit them back out on a test or something. To me, history is all about learning something about the past so that you are a different person now. Apply it to yourself and think about what it is that you've just learned and how is it supposed to affect me? What kind of decisions am I supposed to make now because of what I learned about the past? Those are all pretty ambitious goals, and so then the course is designed with a plan to help us accomplish those goals. One aspect of the course is that it is module-based. There's one introduction module, which will give you an opportunity to practice a few things. Once you finish that introduction module, then the rest of the course will open up to you. There are 5 content modules that are spread out over the course of the history that we're going to be looking at this semester, and then a final wrap-up module, which you will do once you have done all of the content modules, or at least as many of them as you want to. So remember, you have to finish the introduction module first, and then once you finish the introduction module, the rest of the course will open up to you. Another aspect of the course is that it is designed to be a work at your own pace experience. Unlike other online courses that you might have taken, there will not be any interaction between you and other students, at least no required interaction. So that means we won't have any discussion boards with weekly deadlines or any projects that have deadlines specific to certain weeks. Each module does have a complete by date. So as long as you finish everything in that module by the complete by date, you can do it at whatever pace you want. For example, if we look at the semester schedule for the winter 2025 semester, you can see the complete by dates for each one of these modules. So all the work in Content Module 1 has to be done by Monday, February 17th. You can do it at any pace that you want to up until that point, but it just all has to be done by then. And then Content Module 2 has its own complete by date, and so on. So work at your own pace. Don't worry about connecting to or meeting deadlines that involve other students, and just make sure that you complete each module's work by its complete by date. The final key aspect of this course's design is the fact that it is ungraded. All the work that you'll do this semester will be credit or no credit. You'll get credit if you perform satisfactory work, and you'll get no credit if you don't do the work or if the work that you do is unsatisfactory. No activities will themselves receive any grades or points, just credit for satisfactory work or no credit for unsatisfactory work. As part of this ungraded model, you can revise all of your work as much as you want up until its complete by date. So if we look again at the semester schedule, all the activities in Content Module 1 need to be completed by 9 a.m. on Monday of February 17th. If you submit an activity on, let's say, January 21st, and I mark it as satisfactory, then you're done with that activity. If I mark it as unsatisfactory and needing to be redone, then you can revise it and turn it in, let's say, on January 25th. If it's satisfactory at that point, then you get credit for it. If it's not satisfactory again at that point, then you can try again. So you can keep trying again and again and again up until the complete by date of February 17th. I therefore pretty strongly recommend that you don't submit your first attempt at an activity on Monday, February 17th. Because if it happens to be unsatisfactory, then you will not have any time to redo it and resubmit it. So those are the key aspects of History 1510.